Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I did this gorgeous roller set on my 4C hair using Jackie's Grape seed line. So yeah, without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a roller set for you guys. I'm going to show you how I got my hair like this. Whew, you guys, this is so beautiful. I absolutely love my results. My hair feels really soft. Like, it just feels like cotton candy, to be honest. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did. I'm going to be using Jackie's Grape Seed Style and Shine recipe for this. You guys know I've been reviewing Jackie's lines. I've tried the aloe and mint. I've tried the coconut cream recipe. So today I'm going to be doing the grape seed line, and this grape seed line is basically a styling line. So all your favorite styling products, gels, mousse, stuff to slick your edges, stuff to do slick styles. So yeah, that is what is in this line, and that's what I'm going to be using to do this. So if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn the notification bell so that you'll be notified for when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. I'm starting on slightly stretched hair. After washing and deep conditioning my hair, I put it in braids to stretch it a bit. So yeah, my hair is a little bit damp and it's actually moisturized as well. I like to stretch my hair before I do roller sets. Next, I'm going to be using Jackie's Grape Seed Style and Shine Frizz Patrol, which is a setting mousse. It has no mineral oil, no petroleum, and no silicones. I've gone ahead and done most of my head, and I just have the front pieces left to do. And as you can see, those front pieces, I also twisted them. So I basically sectioned off my hair and twisted just to stretch my hair out some more. If you have very tightly coiled kinky hair, finding ways to stretch your hair before you do roller sets makes the style come out better. So as you can see, I'm applying the mousse to my hair. Now before I applied the mousse, this section I'm about to roll up now, I split it into about 4 pieces. Before I put everything together, I applied mousse and I rolled it on the roller. I always say this in all my styling videos where I do twist styles, braid outs, roller sets, panto knots, or whatever. Before I actually put my hair in the sets, like in this case, before I actually roll it up, I split one section into about 3 or 4 smaller pieces before I put them together and roll it on the roller. This helps my separation process later on when I'm taking out my hair. I won't have a lot of frizz, or I won't mess up my definition when I'm trying to separate my hair later on, because the hair pieces were already separated before I actually rolled them up. So it will just be easy for them to just come apart. You guys will see when I'm taking my hair down. This mousse contains jojoba and tamanu oil, so it does help to really lubricate and soften your hair while it sets your curls in place. It's very lightweight and it gives you a really nice smooth shine in your hair. Your hair will actually feel really nice and soft, and you still have really nice defined curls. It also contains grapeseed oil as well, and it helps to reduce frizz. Now I'm done rolling my entire head of hair. I have about almost 40 sections. I'd say 36 to 40 sections, and for 3 of them I didn't have enough green rollers, so I used 2 black and 1 orange. But yeah, this is the next day. My hair is thoroughly dry. Make sure your hair is completely dry before you start your takedown process. Next, I'm going to be taking Shine Boss, which is a refreshing sheen mist. Contains no mineral oil, no petroleum, no silicones. It's sulfate free and also paraben free. This just gives a nice, healthy, reflective sheen to your hair to make the entire style come out nicer. It also contains grapeseed oil as well, and it contains vitamin E and castor oil to actually strengthen your hair. And it also has this very beautiful scent that just makes your hair smell nice and fresh and fruity. And it's lightweight and dries quick, so it doesn't wet your hair. So I'm taking out the fresh roller, and as you can see, my hair is nicely defined and soft. And I'm just going to go ahead and take out all my rollers. Ideally, if I wasn't recording this, if I wasn't doing this off camera, whenever I take out a roller, I would also separate immediately. That just helps me keep track of all my sections. But because for filming purposes, I have to take out all the rollers first so that you guys will see how it looks before I start separating. But ideally, when I take out one roller, I'll separate that section and then move on to the next, just to keep track of everything and making sure that I'm separating as much as I want to get a lot of volume. So now I'm done taking out my rollers, and this is how it looks. At first, it's going to look a little crazy, but we are about to separate now. And when you separate, that is what is going to bring out the beauty of this roller set. So I'm just separating. As you can see, it's so easy for me to separate my hair into pieces. That is because I just separated my hair into 4 pieces, right? I split my hair into those 4 pieces before I actually applied mousse and rolled it up. So now that I'm separating, it was already pre-separated technically, so it's just easy for me to just pull those pieces apart and fluff and separate my hair and avoid damaging my curls, avoid like messing up the curls and causing excess frizz. So that's what I'm just gonna do all over my head. Just go in and separate. Oh yeah, all the products in this line have such a beautiful scent. So if you're someone like me that loves products that smell nice, like that is literally the cherry on top for me when I review products. This line, oh, the scent is beautiful. And the previous coconut cream line that I reviewed, the scent was immaculate as well. Very nice tropical coconut scent. So and Jackie's does an amazing job when it comes to the scent of their products. I give them that. And the products also work as well. So I like products that work well and also smell nice. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention in the beginning, the foam is also really lightweight and it dries fast as well. So it speeds up your styling process. You don't have to wait too long for your hair to dry. So I'm done separating, and you guys look at how my hair is looking now. Oh my god, it actually did blow me away. Honestly, I wasn't expecting it to come out this nice. I do roller sets literally 1 to 2 times a year. And I'm not talking about twist and curls. I'm talking about like actual roller sets where I roll my hair like piece by piece. So I'm not used to seeing my hair like this. So the last time I did it and comparing it to how it looks now, my hair just looks fuller, and obviously because my hair has grown since then, but it just looks fuller and more defined, and just the volume, the body. I absolutely love how this turned out, to be very honest. And the more you fluff it as well, the bigger it gets. And obviously the length and thickness of your hair would affect how it looks. So next, I'm going to be taking Slicked, which is a flexible styling glue. It's supposed to be able to hold and mold and sculpt your hair and edges. It is also enriched with marshmallow roots and honey, and it has a beautiful smell. So I decided to just push my hair to the side to try this out on my edges. Let me know if you guys prefer this as with bangs or as a side part. But yeah, I'm pushing my hair to the side now just to try this out on my edges. And it also gives your hair a nice shine as well, in addition to holding your hair. And it also helps to control frizz. It's also sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, no petroleum, and no silicone. So I'm gonna put a little bit of it on my brush that I use for my edges. That is the consistency of the product. And I'm just going to use that to swipe my edges. And you guys know I really don't like doing my edges. But to be honest, this didn't really do that much for my edges, because I have very, very, very coarse hair. So I need something that's a little thicker to really lay my edges down. That's why I don't even bother doing my edges in the first place. But if you have like medium to fine hair, this should work fine for you. Anyways, this is the final result. Like I said, let me know if you guys prefer this with bangs or as a side part. And stay tuned to the end of this video for details on each product. Okay guys, so this is the final result. This is so cute. This actually turned out better than I expected. I'm not even gonna lie. God, my hair just feels so soft and so fluffy and so moisturized. I absolutely love my results. So yeah, all the stuff I use are from Jackie's. This is their Grape seed line. This line is basically a styling line. So it comes with a shampoo and conditioner to cleanse your hair. The shampoo is a clarifying shampoo with aloe and apple cider vinegar, and that makes perfect sense because this is a styling line and you want to be able to thoroughly cleanse out those styling products from your hair with a clarifying shampoo. The deep conditioner contains avocado and tamanu oil, so it helps to really restore, replenish, and hydrate your hair. They have the styling mousse that I showed you guys, what I used to actually do, like the rollers. Then they have a gel as well. This is their Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly. It has almond oil and marshmallow roots, so it's good for like if you're doing wash goes and stuff. The previous line that I reviewed, their coconut cream recipe, also comes with a jelly as well. So both lines have a jelly depending on the one that you like. Both are really nice scents as well. This scent is consistent with all the other products in this line. This line also has a spray. This is like a sheen spray, so it's their Shine Boss Refreshing Sheen Mist. So if you're doing any style, maybe a twist style, braid or roller set, whatever, this is what you use to just spray over your hair if you want to give it some extra shine, extra sheen. If you have hair that tends to be on the duller side, this would be really nice for you. If you spread it out, it's not like wet or anything like that. It's just a nice, see my hands, see how they have this like nice reflective sheen. It just gives your hair a really nice shine, really nice sheen, makes it look like healthier and like juicy and stuff. So you can use this for braid out, twist outs, bantu knots, anything that you do, any style that you do in your hair, to be very honest. Anyways, I really like the mousse. My hair does not feel crunchy, my hair does not feel dry. That's one thing I really look out for whenever I'm using a mousse. So yeah, those are all the products in the line. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Let me know if you've tried this grape seed line as well. I'm probably gonna rock this for maybe a day or two. You guys know I do not keep roller sets or styles like this in for a long time. I only do roller sets like literally not more than 3 times a year. 3 is even too much. Not more than twice a year. I rarely, 1 to 2 times a year, I rarely do roller sets, because I mean it looks nice and stuff, but eventually my hair is going to start freezing out because my hair is 4C. It's going to start reverting. There's nothing I can do about that. It will revert, and I don't have the strength to start dealing with, you know, how I'm going to sleep to preserve the style. I don't like to stress myself like that. I just like to do twists and threaded styles that I know that I do not have to stress too much. So I'm just gonna rock this for the rest of today and maybe like tomorrow, and I'm going to twist my hair back up. But yeah, that's just how I like to keep my hair. Anyways, this is cute. I've said that a million times. I'm gonna leave the links to everything that I use down below. Let me know if you've tried this line. Let me know which of the Aunt Jackie's lines you've tried. I've reviewed the aloe and mint, I've reviewed the coconut cream recipe, and this is the grape seed style and shine recipe. Yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below, my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.